Okay, I'm presenting my screen. Let me know once you're able to see it.
Visible, sir.
Okay, so last time we have discussed about the ability group. Okay, so we'll continue with that. Okay, the ability group, right, is an interface between S4 and ERP, right? How system, sorry, EWM, how system update the stock type, right? This is what we have discussed. Okay, for example, okay, see in GR zone, right? The stock type is F1, then in palette is F2, right? And then if you check in ERP side, right? So it's like ROD and AFS. Okay, these two, right? So let's check this configuration from scratch. Okay, so basically we will create one new location and then we'll try to post to that particular location. Okay, we'll go to the definition, then material management. Okay, storage location C10. So I will create one new location. Let's say SC10 as a special location. Okay, special location. Save it. Okay, then obviously we need to do the assignment, right? Just like we did in our second session, right? So go to the assignment. So that new location we have to assign to the warehouse. Okay, go to the logistic execution, then assign warehouse number to plant and storage location, new entry. So SC10, then that storage location, and then warehouse SC1. Okay, save it, right? Then we'll go to the EWM, right? Now, obviously, we need to also update, let's say, now we don't want F1, we want some, sorry, F2, we want something else, right? We want, let's say F3, F4, 5, like that. Means or we need or we want that if that material is available in that location, so it is also need to update this thing. Okay, so for that, go to the SCM extended warehouse management. Okay, SCM basis, right? Logistic inventory management engine. So over here we create those stock type. Okay, basic setting, then application specific setting. Okay, determine stock type. Right over here, see the C1, F1. Okay, F1, F2, F3. Right, and this is client level. Client level means if I create here, it will applicable or anyone can use this. Okay, because there is no any warehouse, no any plant. Right. So what we'll do, maybe we can check. Grow with new entry. I will say ZF. Okay, SC10. Special mat. Okay, ZF. Save it. Right now, go back to the EWM. Right, then good receipt process. Okay, then configure ability group. Right, so we also need to create new ability group because of assignment. So currently we are using 002. Right, so what we'll do, we'll create in SC10, let's say SC01 or 10. Okay, and it's for again special material, special mat. Okay, now the next thing, that is, if you, so non-dependent stock type, right, we have discussed is coming from ERP side only, right? When we create order, so over there only we'll discuss, okay, is block, is unrestricted, right? So we'll not create anything because it's not, there is no any use of it. right? If you create, still is coming from ERP side only. Okay, so in the configure stock type, right now this is important. New entry in my warehouse, right? So this stock type, right, should be ZF. Okay, when we trigger the ability group as SE10, and this is a normal stock, right? And then the NST, so we'll go with FF, which is unrestricted. Okay, save it. This table is clear, everyone? SF, SE10, and FF, and normal stock.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means this SE10 will trigger, system will trigger with the stock in the storage type, right? With the help of storage type. Then ability group plus FF, system will update SF. Okay, means we need to create new storage type for that. So here you can go assign ability group to storage type. So this table and the create storage type is the same one, right? So what I will do, I will create new one, for example, SC10, SC10. Okay, then scroll down. So instead of 002 here, we need to maintain what? SC10. Okay, special material, and then this tick mandatory. You need to test one scenario without this tick. Okay, one scenario, just take and just tell me the result later, right? Untick this and then test it. Okay, and let me know the result. Okay, so we have created, let me check, we have created correctly or not. C10. Oh, okay, C10, C10, C10. Okay, save it. Okay, now if you remember, we did one more configuration to update the ERP storage location. That is in interface. Okay, ERP integration, right? Then goods movement, right? Then map storage location from ERP system to EWM. Okay, if you remember, right, over here I told you, right, for D means the location for which you are going to use in purchase order, maintain 001, and for 002. Now we have third location, so I will just copy. So that location is SC10. So I want that when the ability group, right, is SC10, then system should update this location. Okay, save it. Clear? Clear, everyone? Sachin,
सर एक बार फिर से
Santosh,
बताइए ना,
which one?
अभी अभी का प्रोसेस, अभी का.
This table you mean to say?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is C10. Yeah, so this table, right, will trigger the storage location in ERP side, right? So we have checked last time when we do the put away, right? So because this ability group we maintain where in the storage type only, right? So from the
Yes.
storage type, right, system identify, okay, now this is SC10. So and then in this table we have maintained this combination, means whenever the warehouse is this and then ability group is this, system should change or like update the storage location in ERP side,
Okay.
SC10. Okay, and that's the reason with ability group 01, system update the ROD, and with 002, right, is update AFS. Sorry, this one, the D and S. Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear, everyone? Santosh, Sachin, Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the only configuration, right? Now we'll move to the testing. So first of all, we have to create the bean SCWM LS01. So I will create. Okay, hold on, hold on. Our warehouse is NE10, right? Or SC10? Any 10. Sorry for this mess. Just thinking. Yeah, no issue. There is already one configuration is there. So any 10 is our warehouse, right? The same configuration is there, location and any 10, right? Only the stock type will be different, I guess. So let's check that stock type. Okay, ability group. So instead of SC10, only refer any 10. Okay, sorry, I get confused with SC and any. So if you go to the stock type, okay, any 10. So yeah, see this one Z2, right, is maintained. Same config, only that is Z2. All other configuration is same. Okay, so let's create
Okay.
one delivery PL31N. Okay, save. Okay, now session CWM PRDO. Sorry.
सर वेयर हाउस एनी 10 है ना अपना.
Yeah. What is the number? 861. Okay, so it's not there, then it must be in queue. So let's check in SMQ2. Okay, no delivery. Okay, why it is not get distributed? Location is also there. Oh, is okay. Must be someone change distribution model. Let's check. Okay,
हेलो
integration with other recipe component. Yes.
सर अभी आपने वो VL31N ओपन किया था ना उसमें लास्ट को SC10 था. नहीं VL हाँ ये देखो यहाँ पर SC10 है.
Okay, C10 है. Last time we have tested everything in any 10 only, right?
यस सर.
Okay. Okay, there's someone. Okay, it's warning message. Means again someone disturb some configuration. So again, go to the extended warehouse management, EWM linkage. Yeah, if Sachin, Santosh, if you have any question, please let me know. Okay. Someone disturb the configuration again. Again, distribution. Oh, sorry. Create. It should be in create. EWM. Exist in view method. Okay, so in this case, we go to BD64. The server is yeah. If I delete this one, so everyone will impact for everyone. Create all. Okay. Distribution model in. I will go to the change mode. Then again, I will try. So I want to check that exists in the model view. 490 EWM. Okay. 490 EWM means here. 490 R. Is now in unit 10. Why it is giving that error then? Okay, so everyone need to do one thing. Okay. Okay. Need to close this. Okay, now you can. I will go here, right? So remember, everyone, you need to again trigger the distribution model, right? I'm gonna change some setting in that 490. So now, if you check, you can go for ZEWM. Again, in display mode, where is this one? Let me close this. And now we can try. Okay, protocol okay. So everyone, please execute this model again against EWM. Someone deleted the EWM, and that's the reason we are not able to distribute the delivery. Change mode here, and then try to save again, and it will get distributed. Okay. Now we'll check here. Okay. Now we'll do good receive first. Right. So as you're aware, first of all, it will update over here. Right. So we can check with the date, the GR date. We can put a filter or ascending order. So it's 28. Yeah. Okay. And then if you check in MMB, right? Material movement. Okay, there is no movement means there must be something in queue again. So again, someone change. Let's copy the delivery number, right? We'll go to the SMQ2 again. We'll paste the delivery number. Okay, no queue. Okay, let's do the posting. We'll see. Okay, let me close all the window which are not required just to avoid any confusion. Okay, now for this material, right, we'll do the put away where in the any 10 location only. Okay, default value right over here. I will select the B number any 10. Okay, I will click for save. Okay, and I will confirm that is material 20. Okay, confirm. Right now we'll see first over here, refresh, see any 10, right? One product, the stock type is Z2. And if you check same material in MMB, so it's MAT1, go back. We want to check 20. Oh, sorry, the plant is wrong. Any 10. Okay, no posting means there must be some error, right? We need to check the queue. So I can copy this here. You can see the inbound delivery number. So SMQ2. Sachin is there.
Yes, sir.
You are getting this right? Sorry.
Just trying to understand.
Okay. So again, some finance error is there. So as I told you, whenever you see this kind of error, correct customization, right? So you can note it down this T code also. SCC4. Okay. Go here. SCC4. Our client is 100. So again, USD is there. Just change to euro. Okay. Now, oh, sorry. Select and then execute. Okay. Now if you check in MMBE, C 1 plus in any 10. Any question?
हाँ सर
No, sir.
Okay.
सर फंक्शनली अवेलेबिलिटी ग्रुप क्या रहता है मतलब?
Yeah. Now, for example, I'm an SD user. Okay. First of all, tell me what is this ROD means?
It's a sales order, I think.
Is a location, right? So if the
Okay.
stock is available in ROD, what it mean?
Means the part is ready to dispatch, है ना?
No, that is an AFS.
Okay.
Okay. ROD means that material, yeah, is received on dock.
Okay.
Right. AFS means is been.
Okay.
Is available. Now, why difference is there? Because sometimes if the material is available in ROD, so there might be possibility that there are other pending process also, right? Some other
Okay.
process also that we need to complete,
Okay.
right? So we cannot sell the material which is on which is in ROD, right?
Okay.
Because if this is if it's available in AFS means yes we can dispatch that material, right?
Okay.
And that is the use of ability group. Clear?
Hmm.
Any other question? Are you there in the last session when we discussed about the ability group?
No, I think.
That
But
the
I'm
reason
not
like
missing any lecture. I think.
Have you checked the recording?
Okay, I will check.
No, have you checked already or not?
No. Just now I'm doing enterprise structure. Just now I'm creating warehouse, supply chain, number engines. Up to
Okay,
that
okay.
point, I come right now.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Other are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
we'll check what if the NST is different. Okay. NST means, every time we receive an unrestricted stock by default, right? What if it's different, right? So first of all, we need to create one order. So we'll go to the ME21N. Okay. 20 will go with 1000 piece. Location. Okay, and then if you go here in delivery, right, over here we maintain, right, is unrestricted. So I will change to quality. Okay, and then confirmation control key. So yeah, is inbound by default. Save it. Right, then we'll create one delivery. With one piece. Okay, now we'll check first in EWM. Okay, so we'll do the good receipt. Right now, because NST is quality, right, is we are receiving this material in QQ. See, so Q3 will get updated. Okay, to check in monitor also, see Q3, right? Then if you check in MMB, right, refresh, see, it's in quality. Now if I do the put away, okay, so let's say I will do the put away. In palette, okay, let plus save. We'll copy the bin number also. We can check, right? So control plus save, right? Now if you check over here, I will just put a filter on bin number. Okay, refresh. Okay, is already updated. So see is F2. System updated the F2. But what I'm looking for, that setting is already activated. Okay, that setting is I will again create one delivery. Okay, let me just deactivate that setting. I will go to the storage type setting, master data. Okay, palette. So if you scroll down, so here is FF, so I will just remove this, okay, and save. Right now, let's create new delivery. Now 2 piece, save it. Okay, so again we'll do the good receipt, and again it will trigger Q3 stock type and under the quality. Okay, now we'll do the put away for this. Now in different bin. Let's say D. Okay, create plus save. Now we'll confirm this. We copy the bin number again. D, confirm. So if you check the stock type now, okay, again I will just put a bin number, set filter, change the bin number. I will just refresh. So it's Q4. Okay, it's Q4. Now if you check here, so that pieces, right, is in quality only, right? Why? Because if you go back to the configuration, okay, where we have maintained the ability group configuration, okay, configure ability group in go to receipt process, okay, then stock type, and it 10. So we are receiving what? QQ stock type, normal stock type, right? And then the ability group 002, right? Because of this system update Q4, okay, and then because of this system update, because the stock is quality only, that's the reason in MMB we are able to see under the quality. Clear?
हेलो
Yes.
सर, वो क्वालिटी में स्टॉक आ गए वो पता चल गया, पर वो टेबल में कैसे शो हो रहा है, क्यों लिया वो अवेलेबिलिटी ग्रुप, वो बताइए नहीं फिर एक बार
Which
फिर से।
one?
हाँ, टेबल अभी टेबल जो ओपन किया था वही वही। नहीं, सॉरी सॉरी, ये हाँ वही।
Yeah, because of
हाँ
NST. This is NST, right? Non-dependent stock
हाँ
type.
ओके
So it's coming from where? From the purchase order, right?
हाँ
Go to the purchase order in delivery. See, is quality stock.
ओके 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 ओके।
Okay.
पर वो टेबल में कैसे आपने वो बताया सर कि
What?
वो फिर से टेबल ओपन कीजिए ना। हाँ, इसमें
Hmm.
Q4 में कैसे गया वो कैसे बताया, अभी आपने एक्सप्लेन किया नहीं, एक बार फिर से कीजिए ना।
Yeah. So NST is quality.
हाँ
This is clear, right? Oh, so
यस
ERP, this is coming from ERP.
हाँ
Then the ability group, where we maintain this ability group? In the storage type, right? If you go back, go to the storage type. So it's palette 10. Scroll down, see,
हाँ
right? So
हाँ
now SAP or system do will have the stock ability group, right? Which is 002, right? Then the QQ, which is NST, and this is a normal stock. And because of this combination, QQ plus 002, system update Q4.
ओके ओके ओके, गॉट इट सर। समझ गया सर।
Okay. Clear, everyone?
वही स्टोरेज टाइप हमने वहां पे डाला था क्या,
Yes.
जिसको
palette
असाइन किया
10.
था अवेलेबिलिटी ग्रुप?
Yes, palette 10.
तो सीधा मतलब पुट अवे जब हम करते हैं तो क्वालिटी स्टॉक में चला गया उस बिन में.
Yes, but still in quality.
Stock is in quality, but physically वो बिन में गया.
Physically, yeah, physically is there, but is it's
But
showing as a
logically वो
under quality.
अंडर क्वालिटी, लॉजिकली अंडर क्वालिटी में और फिजिकली वो बिन में है.
Yep.
तो उसका आगे जाके ठीक.
Clear?
लेकिन इनिशियली स्टॉक कहाँ पे था? स्टेजिंग एरिया में था क्या?
Staging area में, yes.
वहां पर भी हम सीधा स्टेजिंग एरिया में क्वालिटी में नहीं डाल सकते क्या?
So
वहां पर
that
ही
no,
रखिए.
no, they're also in quality only. Just to
मतलब
move
स्टेजिंग एरिया
from
में जब
ROD to AFS, just to change the location because of the ability group configuration, but still is in quality only.
ओके.
Any doubt or
ठीक.
not clear? So see, there are two stock type, F1 and F2, right? So when you do the good receipt,
Correct.
this is ROD, which is F1 in EWM. When you move is F2 for AFS, but F is for unrestricted. Q3 is for ROD, Q4 is for AFS. It's like that.
Okay. AFS means what?
Available for
AFS
sale.
available for sale. Okay. Okay. हमने स्टोरी लोकेशन उसका चेंज क्यों किया, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया. उसका
Which
ROD
one?
to AFS के क्यों किया?
This is I'm saying. ROD means material is in staging. So physically, when the material is here, how you can we can provide this information to other or to all the module, all the department. They cannot go and check physically, right? That is that location. Let's say this one.
Okay, this
Right.
staging area. Okay.
This is my staging area. Nothing but ROD location. Receive
Okay.
on dock. Right. Then once we move to the warehouse or in rack.
Okay.
Let's say here. This is AFS. Available for sale.
Okay.
Obviously, the material which is available on the door, this we cannot sell it, right?
Okay.
Because we don't know there is any pending process or not.
तो स्टेजिंग एरिया का लोकेशन अलग था और अवेलेबिलिटी फॉर सेल के लिए अलग है, इसलिए वहां पे मूव करना पड़ा.
Yes.
लेकिन जब स्टेजिंग एरिया में था तब क्वालिटी स्टॉक ही था ना?
Yes, still in quality.
ओके. हाँ, अभी भी सेम स्टॉक में, अनरिस्ट्रिक्टेड में नहीं है. जब अगर वो
Yes.
सेल करना पड़ेगा तो मूव करना पड़ेगा उसको.
Exactly. Yes. Then later we need to move it from here to here because sales team only understands. So there are only total 43 pieces, right? But out of 43, only 30 are available for sale. These two are under quality. Yeah, how we move that we'll check. But this clear?
Okay.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Now, sometime what business will say that okay, this area, whenever I receive any material or whenever I do the put away, right? So this is my unrestricted area only. Okay, this is my unrestricted area only. So it should not. So stock type should not Q3 or should not Q4. It should be F2 only. Okay, it should be F2. So in that case, what we can do, go to the storage type configuration. Okay, and then over there you will find one NST option, non-dependent stock type, palette 10. Scroll down here, non-dependent stock type, maintain FF over here. Okay, FF, save it. Now what will happen with this FF, right? I will again create one new delivery. We'll go with some like 3 pieces. delivery. Okay, so first of all, we do the good receipt. See, it's Q3, right? So if you directly check here, right, 2 piece, refresh. See 3 piece under the quality, right? ROD. Then let's say they have sent the mail to the quality team check. They have reverted okay, is okay. You can move to the final bin. Now I will move the material. Now here in this bin. Okay, create plus save. I will confirm. Okay, now we'll go to the monitor, refresh, change the bin number to E. See the stock type is F2, unrestricted, right? If you check here, so 3 are here, 30, refresh, 33. If you check the material movement, there is some issue with the date. Yeah, see this 343 movement. What is 343? Block 2 unrestricted. Sorry, 343, not 343. Today is 11.
Second last.
Yeah, 321. So if you check, so it's a quality to unrestricted. Okay. Now how we update? We update it. Anyone? How system update the stock time from quality to unrestricted? Now system have two entry in the storage type. One is availability group and then another one is FF, which is NST. If you go back to the previous table, stock type, right? Again, now system have what? FF and 002. That the reason system update F2. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Sachin, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Same way, you can also create the different stock type. For example, blocks is already there, right? Block will use. Scroll down and here you can see BB. What will happen with BB? We'll see. We'll create one delivery again. Let's say again, we'll go now 5 pieces, save it. Now we already aware, right? It update Q3 first. We'll directly check for after put away. Empty bin. Okay. Okay, now if you check first before doing put away, monitor. Five pieces are here. Okay, I will confirm the task. Okay, I will just copy the bin number. Go to the monitor. refresh, change the bin number. Okay, remove the space. Okay, still in F2 because we should select not that bin, we should select the block bin, right? BS10, this bin only. Okay, create plus save. Okay, so let me go to this first story monitor. I will remove the filter. There is already a material, so let me put the filter on this so we can easily identify. So there are only 7 piece, 6 piece already, right? I will confirm the stock, task. Okay, now if you check here, so 6, 13. Okay, and then how it look like in ECC? If you refresh, so 5 piece will move to the block bin. See, block bin. Okay, block bin 350. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Everyone? Then there is one more small setting, right? That is the stock type role. So currently we are going with blank entry, right? Means normal stock, right? But if you put S, right? So in ECC there is no any scrap stock. Okay, there is only block stock. So we'll see this, right? Quality reserve. There is no any scrap stock. But in EWM, yes, we do have one scrap stock. So if you remove this filter, see this scrapping, we can see like this scrap stock. Then what is the difference between block stock and scrap stock, right? Block stock is like after some discussion or like, after the quality approval, there's a possibility that we'll move this material to normal stock, right? But in scrap stock is like, okay, we need to scrap it, right? And then there is one transaction, separate transaction for this is SCWM ADGI, okay, to scrap the stock, right? So by default here you can see is already selected, select scrap stock only. So GI process, so is scrapping, okay, and if you execute, you will only able to see that scrap stock, see, and then you can just select and then post GI, okay, so it will scrap the whole 6 pieces, okay. But if you untick this one and if you execute, then we'll see all the material, see, a rack also, right? But we don't scrap the material, right? We only scrap the specific stock, right? That's the reason we have the scrap stock. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
So there are again 2 scenario. One, let's say now we do have a approval from quality that okay, this material is fine, 3 pieces are fine, just move to the any other okay stock, or like let's say to pallet, right? Then to execute bin to bin movement, okay, so ADPROD is the transaction, and in that also if it's a loose product, then we can execute as a loose product, okay, without reference ADPROD. But if it's in HU, so in HU we don't open the HU, right? We move entire HU. So later when we create HU, we'll see it, right? but currently is loose product. So we'll go here. Then material number we have to enter. So let me just copy the material number. Okay, again, there are lots of screen. Let me close it. Okay. So we want to move only block stock, right? Select this. So here, if you want to change for all, so you can select and then click on mass entry and then mass change, and you can just enter the field. Okay. But we want to change only one. So go to the form view, right? Let's say 3 pieces. So in which bin we want to move? We want to move to the, let's say B, this bin. And then as I said, WPT is mandatory, 999. So for this kind of movement, we use WPT 999. And then if you tick over here, so you don't need to go to the confirmation again, right? System will confirm this task immediately. Okay. Create plus save. See now only 10 pieces because 3 pieces move to the OK stock. If you filter, see 3 pieces in F2, and then obviously it will have impact here also. See 15 piece, 3 piece are in AFS. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then the last scenario in this, so we do have one material which is in palette, I guess, but with the wrong stock type. For example, yeah, this one. So it's wrong stock type, right? It's Q4. It should be F2. In that case, what we can do, so we do have one posting change transaction which trigger the posting change. Okay, so it's post SCWM post. This one make posting changes for product. Okay, again enter the product. If there are a number of bin and that material available in different bin, if you go to this advanced search, right over here you can enter. Okay, but yeah, here also we need to search. So we'll go by here only. So this is the product. Let me copy the bin number also. Advanced search, right? Then click over here, close advanced search. Again, form view. Right now we just want to change the stock type from Q4 to F2. Again, WPT. Right? And then for this kind of movement, we don't require to confirm the task. System immediately confirm the task. Oh, sorry, quantity. So we want to move all 2 pieces. Okay. If you check now, see F2, and again it will have the impact in monitor also. Sorry, in the MMB. See 43. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Sachin, Santosh.
Clear, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we'll stop. So from next class onwards, yeah, we'll like my old student Abhishek and yeah, all like is like we are going to start from strategy, right? So yeah, let me inform to Mohit also. Okay, so I will inform to Mohit. So then yeah, like a regular classes. Then very important thing, please inform. I'm also going to inform to to all the member, right? Please join when we say 8. So now onwards, I will wait until only like 8:05, 8:07. Okay. Anyhow, we are going to start from let's say 8:10 max. Okay. I'm not going to message every day, right? Please join because what we have discussed that if there is any change or like if the session is going to cancel, I will message you. Otherwise, the time is going to be same. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If any cancellation, then you'll be message me. Message it.
Yes. Yes. Otherwise, please consider that class is will start at 8 o'clock only.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.